Ring, 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 ring.
Hi, this is Sue at Estee Lauder. How can I help you?
Hey, oh, this video thing is really interesting. So I am having trouble buying beard oil on your website. As you can tell by this hat, beard oil and beards are an important part of my lifestyle. Can you help me?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me go ahead and just take a payment over the phone really quick for you.
I'm sorry, are you going to write down my credit card information right next to your computer or phone?
No, it's going to be all PCI compliant, but we can do it another route if you'd prefer.
I would, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Let me just drill in and create a transaction. So I see here on the account that you've already paid $100 towards maybe cologne and some advanced eye night care. Is that the case?
Yes, moisturizing is life.
Okay, excellent. Well, let me go ahead and just create this transaction. So it should have auto sent you a unique URL to your email address. Do you want to go ahead and pull up your screen so I can see that?
Yeah, absolutely. Click. Cool.
Right.
So this is what I think I just got. There's an invoice attached, right?
Yeah, right in the invoice, you should see a delegated amount for the unit price and the quantity. So it should be about $150. Is that what you see?
Yeah. And can I pay from the email too?
Yeah, you sure can. If you click up into the clicking here option, you should have an option to go ahead and go in and pay via credit card or ACH. Is that what you want to do?
That's exactly what I want to do. Oh, powered by a third party. That makes me nervous. We're going to have to talk about that in a second.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm going to enter my information here. Kevin, Karen, there's my numbers.
Enter your information now while I'm on the phone, and then we can go ahead and confirm via receipt that you received all of that information and that the payment's confirmed on my end.
Cool. I saw the word secure connection. That makes me feel comfortable. All right. Yep. There's my receipt, $150. Cool. Can you just confirm it went through on your end too?
Yeah, no problem. Let me go ahead and hard reset here really quickly to make sure that all of the payment processed. And it looks like at the moment it's pending. Let me just go ahead and double check on our opportunity level to see if that's going to go ahead and process right now. And it sure does look like the payment's been captured.
Okay, awesome. So I also saw this powered by something else. Can you just make sure that my credit card number isn't anywhere in your system, please? I'm really nervous about that.
Yeah, no problem. We actually have this new program we just acquired called PCI-Fi. It allows us to go in and actually look for any credit card numbers. But let me go ahead and generate a case for you. So in this instance, it looks like you're trying to mask your credit card data. Is that right?
Yeah, eventually if I change my mind, I want to delete it. Can I do that too?
Yeah, no problem. Let me
Cool.
go ahead and go in.
Just so you know, I have to jump on another call in about 10 seconds.
No problem. Let me go ahead then and input that information for you. So yeah, it looks like all of your visas have been masked in our system.
Cool, thanks. Bye.
Bye.